Here are two sailing ships. The ship on the left hasn't had its VRC system go through the maker's maintenance at dry dockings. The other one gets VRC system maker's maintenance service at every dry docking. Both are doing so to save OPEX. Which ship will end up saving more cost over its lifetime? The ship without the maker's VRCS DryDock inspection faces more emergency maintenance situations. It requires unplanned dry docking services. According to a study, reactive maintenance increases the cost up to 5 times compared to proactive maintenance. Inspection by engineer without the maker's certificate could make inappropriate changes in the system and deteriorate the VRCS's overall quality. This is one of the main causes requiring KSB Seil, an emergency service to a ship coming right out of a dry docking. What is different about KSB Seil's VRC system dry dock service? KSB Seil is the maker who designed your VRCS with a best fit architect to your specific fleet. It is only logical that your VRCS designer knows the best ways to inspect and repair it. KSB Seil's reputation guarantees special dry dock services with 3 characteristics. KSB Seil plans dry dock service based on pre-checklist. The list, with 30 years of know-how and expertise, minimizes the risk in terms of time and level of completion. Service engineers with overall insights on the system. All engineers are trained, guided, and supported by service managers with more than 14 years of experiences. Only the maker of the VRCS can properly analyze, inspect, and modify the VRCS installed on the ship. Others cannot understand the drawings, characteristics of each component, and the overall principle of the system. KSB Seil's reputation guarantees another service that can only be properly provided by the maker. Retrofit service. Changes in international regulations and market demands require retrofits on your fleets. KSB Seil has helped many of those retrofits and established most effective workflow. Retrofit project starts with reanalyze the original drawing of the fleet and hydraulic flow, and volumes are adjusted for the new operating conditions. KSB Seil customizes the supply units according to the new design, supervises and supports installation for the best site performance, calibrating and tests the operational excellences. Finally, KSB Seil trains the crew for proper day-to-day maintenance. Yes, the maker of your VRCS is the solution for most cost-effective dry dock service and retrofit projects. It is the only solution for preventive maintenance, OPEX saving, and keeping your reputation to your customers over the lifetime of the fleet.